Hey everyone, welcome back to Wise Trading, where we test everything that claims to make trading easier. So today I came across something pretty interesting, an AI trading bot that gives you buy or sell signals just from a screenshot of your chart. Yeah, literally, you take a picture, send it, and the bot analyzes it in seconds. No setups, no complicated indicators, just plug, upload, and trade. And apparently it's completely free. No registration, no paid access. Let's see if it actually works. I'm logging in right now and heading to the Analyze Chart by Image section. I'll choose a 15-second candle time frame because short-term trades will show accuracy faster. Okay, screenshot ready, uploading it to the bot. The bot sends the very first signal, sell for 1 minute. Let's open the trade and see what happens. The price instantly moves in our direction, and there it is. First trade, first win. Excellent start, smooth and accurate. Now let's move on to 30-second candles. New signal received, again sell for 1 minute. Let's see if the bot keeps its precision. Beautiful, another clean win. 2 trades, 2 solid profits in a row. The accuracy is looking strong so far. Time to step it up, switching to 1-minute candles. The bot sends another signal, sell for 1 minute. Trade opened. But this one goes against us. Small loss this time. No worries, we'll recover on the next trade by doubling the amount, following smart money management. Same setup, 1-minute candles, sell for 1 minute. Trade placed with a double position size. And perfect result. The trade closes deep in profit, fully recovering the loss and pushing the balance even higher. That's the power of patience and discipline in trading. No emotions, just a clear plan. Next signal, buy for 1 minute on 1-minute candles. We're going long. Strong upward move, clean win again. We're back in rhythm, consistent and confident. Another signal incoming, sell for 1 minute. Trade opened. And once again, perfect timing, perfect profit. Same time frame, another sell signal for 1 minute. Let's take it. And yes, another winning position. That's multiple green trades in a row. Final signal for today, once again, sell for 1 minute. We're entering the trade. And just like that, another clean win to finish the session strong. 8 trades in total, 7 wins and 1 small loss that we immediately recovered. Fast, simple and accurate. Exactly what you want from a smart AI trading assistant. If you want to try this bot yourself, check the link in the pinned comment. It's completely free, just upload your chart and start testing it right now. And remember, always stay disciplined, follow your money management and trade wisely. See you in the next video. This is Wise Trading.